today's adventures takes us to Hammond's
Candies, America's largest maker of handmade candy. We've been doing it the old-fashioned way for over 90 years because we love the process and the dedication it takes to make our classic candy.
Hammond's Candies was founded in 1920 when Carl T. Hammond used his experience working for other candy manufacturers and started his own company. 3,500 mom and pops and over 30,000 retail stores around the world.
Now that you have a better idea of who we are and where we've been, it's time to see how it's done. Keep in mind, every day is different on the Hammond's factory floor, so you'll only see a few different candies being made. Feel free to come back again so you can see how we make all of our yummy candies.
Let's go see how handmade candy is made the Hammond's way.
So good. There's two people. He's there doing it.
Alright guys, my name is Jackie and I'll be doing your, once they're done with the pulling table, they'll take all their pieces to the construction table, so that's where they're at right now. You guys can look up in the TV screen and you'll be able to see how he adds the flavor to his batch. Our cooks will also stick to 1 to 2 flavors a day so they can recycle all the candy canes that they don't use in the batch. So the candy canes that they don't use come from candy canes that were cut the right length or they're not the right shape. So they'll just be melted down in a different batch.
It's pretty.
So you guys can see it's gonna pour a little puff with some filling there. So that's the flavoring.
It'll be outside of the candy cane.
Is that gonna be that?
And then we have our popcorn room. You guys will also be able to see it on the TV screen.
We have just finished the tour and now we're going to walk around the candy shop and give you some of the prices for their candies. Okay, so we have all these different candy canes. There are about 30 of them and different flavors and they cost $2.50. These lollipops are $3.95 and they are really good because they are handcrafted and these are made in the amount of time that it would take you to go from Denver to New York City to back and forth 2 times. So we have made it to the oops room of the corner of the store, and basically all these candies are things that came off wrong in the production, so they are sold here for a reduced price. These are another item that they sell. They are called dunking spoons, and you can put them in your hot chocolate and stir it around, and it will give you a different kind of flavor in your hot chocolate.
We had a great time. I'm at Hammond's Candy Factory.
It is now time for food vlog, restaurant review, something like that. We are in downtown Denver and we are going to Sam's No. 3, famous for their breakfast burritos, their green chili. They were featured on Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives, one of our favorite places to take people to when we are in or have visitors to Denver. Sam's No. 3. We had a party of 9, so we did do a call ahead. The wait was about 25 minutes. We ended up splitting up our tables, so the kids are behind us. We got an adult table. Menu is intense, lots of options, but I am going with the Papa's Big as a House breakfast burrito. Huge and good, and also we're gonna get a cinnamon roll. Those are awesome.
Which one of the girls gets the meat? Give me your plate. Let me cut it for you, buddy. No, I'm gonna. Wait. She can do it.
Featured on episode 113 on Food Network, Diners, Drive-Ins, and Dives.
And now for us, it's back to the rat race.